Hey guys, just want to make a really quick video on how to implement auto rolls in your Google Ads account. So let's say you want to pause search ads that have less than 0.5% click-through rate and more than 25 clicks. So the way you do that is you click on Tools, Rules under Bulk Actions, click the Add button, go to Add Rules. You want to pause ads. You want to go ahead and click on All Enable Ads. Under Condition, you want to click Add. You want to look for clicks, and let's go ahead and set it to over 25. Click Apply. Add another condition. Look for click-through rate. Be over here. I think I passed it. Here it is. Click-through rate, and click less than 0.5%. Click Apply. And frequency, I usually select weekly, Sundays, usually at midnight. And under using data from, I like to choose all time. And then I usually unselect emails, so I just click on no emails. I usually put in the conditions under rule name. So pause, low click-through rate, search ads, greater than 25 clicks, less than 0.5% click-through rate. Save rule, and you're all set. You can always edit the rule here, or you can go to rule history and check on it, for example, once every 2 weeks, just to make sure everything's working properly. And that is it. Thanks.